Dr. Random Ed, and you are back with Ed, and today I'm going to do just a quick review on this new Ninja professional 1100 watt mixer blender. And yeah, I just wanted to give a little product review on those that are considering this. I've used it a few times now and it's actually not too bad. So just to go over what comes in the pack, I got this from Best Buy. It was on sale. I think it was around $89. So yeah, so here's the actual motor unit. So you have your power button here, you have low, medium, high, then you have pulse as well, and then they have this nutrient and vitamin extraction mode. So essentially you get your actual cup set up. Sorry, I'm trying to get you the actual name. They refer to it as the Nutra Ninja Cup. You get this set up. You put this obviously into the cup here, you screw it on, and then you mount it onto the motor here. And then you turn it on, and when you hit this button, it will operate for 60 seconds and then it'll stop. But I typically like to pulse it a couple times first before I turn that on, and I don't usually run it for the full 60 seconds. I did that once and I kind of smelled like a burning smell, like an electrical burning smell. I'm not sure if the motor was just being overworked or not, but I personally, I didn't need it to sit there for that long anyways. So you have your pitcher, nice little handle and things like that. I'm sorry, I'm doing this with one hand, but so you have your actual spout, nice little rubber seal to protect it. The inside you have it's like a multi-blade, or it's called a stacked blade assembly. So it actually is able to get from top to bottom rather than all the contents having to go to the bottom blades where they usually are. It kind of works its way through, which is really nice. So yeah, I'm just going to give you guys a little brief demo. So yeah, I just put a little bit of frozen berries, like a mixture of berries, some milk, and coconut water for some extra sweetness. So yeah, you mount it, and then you will press down, and then rotate. You hear that clicking sound, and then you know you're in business. So then you will actually power on, and you're good to go. So I just pulse it a couple times, right? Seems pretty simple. It gets pretty loud, just a heads up. So then you yeah, so pretty loud, pretty powerful engine or motor, sorry. So yeah, time to take this lid off. The red light is blinking just to tell me that the power is still on, but there's nothing here. It's like a safety feature they added. So I just hit the power button and it goes away. So now I'm opening this up so you guys can look at the consistency of the actual shake. Unscrewing that lid. Then have the motor blades or the blades in there, and there you go. So yeah, it works really well so far. I mean, I have no complaints. It's got nice little suction cups on the bottom, so you can it stays in place. A lot of the appliances are getting that, adding that feature on now. It comes with 2 of these cups with lids. Let me just grab the lid real quick. Here's your lid. So just screw that on and you're in business, ready to go to work or start your day or do whatever you got to do. So yeah, overall pretty decent machine, gets the job done, no complaints so far. I have used this once, worked really well, and yeah, overall decent so far, no complaints. If you guys have any questions, comments, or anything associated with this Ninja professional 1100 watt, post them in the comments and I'll see if I can make more content or videos associated. Oh, and here's the model number, the BL621. So yeah, cheers.